Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit. Hope you're having a great start to the weekend. Listen, I just want to send out a quick video. I've talked about this before, but it's so important. Stop competing with everybody else. Take things step by step. If you're looking to start selling on Amazon or eBay, just take it step by step. Where are you right now? And you have to be honest with yourself. Truly assess, where are you? What's your current situation? I mean, if you're living in your parents' basement, which, it happens, I wasn't in the basement. I was living at my parents' house, about 27. If you only have, a couple $100s in your bank account and you don't have a lot of money to invest, you can't expect to scale insanely quick. You're going to have to work on trying to go out to thrift stores, garage sales, library sales, and try to find some jackpots where you can turn, your inventory and get up to having $1,000, $2,000 in your inventory. But the truth is you have to be honest. Where are you? Also, what type of experience do you have? If you don't have any experience selling on Amazon, it's probably not the best idea to just jump directly into eBay to Amazon or to jump directly into, wholesale or private label. Be honest with yourself. Where are you right now? If you're brand new, if you don't have a lot of money, you have maybe more time than money, go out there and hustle. Find those gyms, find those deals, but be honest about where you are and what you need to do to get to the next step. If you're at the point where you don't even have an Amazon account, but maybe, you're busy, you don't have a ton of time and you want to try to figure out how do I do this? How do I start this business step by step? I don't have time to be watching a million YouTube videos. Consider joining Reselling Freedom. There's actually 2 days left to be able to join at only $27 and the price is going up to $37 per month. So you get grandfathered in. Check that link down below. But be honest with yourself. Where are you? Are you on step 1? Are you in step 15? Are you in step 27? Try to figure out how you can get to the next level. If you're doing $1,000 a month, stop listening to all these gurus that are making $100,000 a month. I'd love to see their profit margins. I'm sure some of them are, but who cares, right? You're not trying to get to $100,000 a month if you're doing $1,000 a month right now. Let's get to $2,000. Let's get to $5,000. And once you learn how to make that money, let's learn to make it consistently. Because you want to know what? I love to see, some of my students in Reselling Freedom and in, the eBay to Amazon mentorship. I love seeing them do 5K, 10K, bringing home 2,000, 4,000, 5,000 profit. I love it. I'm all for that. But you want to know what impresses me more? Not the person who's doing 10K or 15K or $4,000 a month, whatever it is, but the person who's consistently doing that and slowly but surely growing their business. Because I know if they're consistently making those profits, it's telling me they're building out systems and they're building out processes that are actually building a real long-term business, right? You can't consistently make the same amount of money or continue to improve if you don't build a foundation of systems and processes in terms of managing your account, sourcing, finding suppliers, listing, shipping, dealing with all the back-end stuff. That's what gets me excited. But the whole premise of this entire video, where you need to start is figuring out where are you, what's the next step, and continually grow every single day. If you're at this, at this step where you're trying to get started, then sign up for your account. That's it. If you're at the step where you're finding so much inventory and maybe you're doing $10,000 a month and you want to get to 20, but you're like, I have no time. Now your step is maybe you're figuring out some systems to be able to automate some certain things or getting a VA or getting a help with a prep or a prep center. So be honest with yourself. Go from there. Just want to send this quick video. I appreciate you guys. And again, there's 2 days left to join resellingfreedom.com. We've had, I think, over 270 people at the time of this recording join. So welcome everybody. I'll put a link down below. Any questions you have, drop a comment, send me a DM on IG. But I appreciate you guys. Much love, and let's have a fantastic weekend. I'm actually getting ready to ship out about 9 packages right now for about 3,000 profit. So I'm getting after it. Hopefully you do too. Take care.